How to adjust game sound in Age of Empires. If you want the Age of Empires audio to be louder, quieter, or just right for your gaming session, then adjusting the sound setting is quick and easy. Welcome back to Crazy Gamer, and let's get started with the video. First of all, launch open Age of Empires game on your device, and once you're inside the gameplay, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile avatar. Soon after you do that, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the settings button. Inside the settings menu, tap on settings once again. You'll then be able to see the music volume and sound effects volume option. Go ahead and drag the slider underneath music volume and go ahead and select the volume you want for your gameplay. Adjust it according to your necessity. If you want to turn off the music and enjoy a sound-free experience, you can just switch off the button right next to music volume and sound effect volume. Or you can also make it quieter or louder depending upon your choices. So after making the adjustment from this menu, you'll be able to adjust sound settings within the Age of Empires game. Adjusting your game sound in Age of Empire is simple. Now you can enjoy epic battles, music and unit sounds at the perfect volume while conquering your enemies. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.